This is the complete guide to Runway ML, the AI video platform used by professional filmmakers, VFX studios, and advertising agencies worldwide. Runway builds the tools that define what AI-generated video looks like at a professional level. Gen 3 Alpha is the current flagship video generation model. Motion Brush gives you spatial control over motion that no other tool offers. Act 1 transfers your facial performance to any AI character. By the end of this video you will know every Runway tool, how to generate cinematic video with Gen 3 Alpha, how Motion Brush, Act 1, and custom model training work, how Runway's post-production tools replace hours of manual editing, how it compares to Pika, Kling, Sora, and Luma, every pricing plan, and 8 pro tips that produce dramatically better output immediately. Let us get into it. Runway ML was founded in 2018 by Cristobal Valenzuela, Anastasis Germanitis, and Alejandro Matamala in New York. The founding mission was to build the future of storytelling through AI tools designed specifically for creative professionals, not general consumers. The company has raised $237 million and is valued at approximately $1.5 billion. Gen 3 Alpha, launched in June 2024, is the current flagship video generation model. It produces cinematic quality video from text prompts with camera motion control built into the generation pipeline. Runway has been used in the production of major films and advertising campaigns by professional studios who integrate it into existing production workflows. What distinguishes Runway from other AI video tools is that it is not a single text-to-video feature. It is a comprehensive creative suite covering video generation, motion control, performance capture, post-production, and custom model training. Gen 3 Alpha Turbo provides faster generation at lower credit cost for workflows where speed matters more than maximum quality. Let me walk through every major Runway tool. Gen 3 Alpha, the core video generation model. Generates cinematic video from a text prompt or animate a still image, with camera motion built directly into the generation. Motion Brush, Runway's most unique feature. You paint arrows directly onto a still image to define the direction and area of motion before generating, giving you spatial control over the video that other tools do not offer. Act 1, Facial Performance Capture. Record yourself speaking or expressing emotion via webcam and transfer that performance onto any AI-generated character. Remove background. Remove the background from any video in seconds with no green screen, rotoscoping, or frame-by-frame masking. Video and painting. Paint a selection over any region in a video clip and replace it with AI-generated content matching the surrounding context. Motion tracking. Track any point in a video automatically for compositing. Frame interpolation. Increase the frame rate of any video smoothly using AI-generated frames between existing ones. And custom training. Upload your own footage and train Runway to generate video in your specific visual style. Let me go deeper on Gen 3 Alpha specifically. Camera motion. You specify the camera move directly in the prompt. Slow dolly in toward the subject, orbit left around the character, crane up to reveal the landscape, or handheld for naturalistic documentary movement. Gen 3 interprets and executes the camera move as part of the generation. Image to video. Upload any still image and Gen 3 animates it with physically plausible motion and natural lighting that responds to movement. Text to video. Write a scene description and generate directly without a reference image. Turbo mode. Gen 3 Alpha Turbo generates 2 to 4 times faster at lower credit cost, useful for rapid iteration and exploration. Duration. Generate 5 or 10-second clips, then chain multiple clips together for longer sequences. Style prompting is powerful in Gen 3. Specify film stock, lighting style, and color grade directly in the prompt. Shot on 16mm film, warm tungsten lighting, desaturated grade. Negative prompts tell Gen 3 what to exclude. And the extend feature adds new seconds to the end of any existing clip, maintaining visual and motion continuity automatically. Here is how to get started with Runway ML from scratch. Step 1. Go to runwayml.com and create a free account. Email or Google login. You get 125 credits in Gen 3 Alpha access immediately. No card required. Step 2. click Generate and select Gen 3 Alpha as your model. Gen 3 Alpha Turbo is available for faster results at lower credit cost. Step 3. Choose between text to video and image to video. Image to video is recommended for your first generation because the still image gives you control over the first frame's composition. Step 4. Write your prompt with 4 elements: subject, action, camera move, and visual style. A woman walking through fog, slow dolly in toward her, cinematic, shot on 35mm film. Step 5. Set duration to 5 seconds for your first generation. 5 seconds uses fewer credits and is fast to evaluate. Extend to 10 seconds once you have the right direction. Step 6. Generate and review. Watch the full clip twice before deciding whether to iterate. Assess the motion quality, camera behavior, and lighting before generating again. Step 7. Either extend the clip by 5 more seconds to continue the motion and story, or adjust your prompt and regenerate for a different take. Here is the workflow for creating a cinematic AI video with Gen 3 Alpha. Step 1. Start with a strong reference image or a highly specific scene description. The more precise your starting point, the more controlled the output. A strong reference image is almost always better than starting from text alone. Step 2. Specify the camera move explicitly. Runway's Gen 3 responds well to camera language: slow dolly in, rising crane shot, locked off, handheld, orbit left. Include the camera instruction every time, not just for the first clip. Step 3. Add visual style language. Film stock, era, lighting quality, and color grade all influence the output significantly. Step 4. Generate in 5-second increments. Never generate a 10-second clip until the 5-second version is working well. Shorter clips are cheaper, faster, and easier to evaluate. Step 5. Use motion brush for any shot where you need specific elements to move and others to stay still. Paint the motion direction onto the reference image before generating. Step 6. Chain clips together in Runway's timeline or export individual clips to your editing software. Build the sequence by continuing the scene across multiple Gen 3 generations. Step 7. Apply Runway's post-production tools to finish. Background removal for compositing, motion tracking for visual effects, and frame interpolation to smooth any motion artifacts. Motion Brush is the feature that most clearly separates Runway from every other AI video tool on the market. Every other AI video generator takes your prompt and decides where motion happens. Runway's Motion Brush lets you decide before a single frame is generated. The workflow is straightforward. Upload a still image to the image to video mode. Click Motion Brush to open the painting interface. Paint directional arrows onto the elements you want to move, in the direction you want them to move. Use different strokes for different elements. The character moves right, the background stays still, the foreground leaves drift upward. Generate, and Runway uses your motion map as the guide for the generation. The most powerful use cases are keeping background elements completely still while animating only the subject, creating parallax motion by painting foreground elements moving faster than the background, adding subtle atmospheric drift to smoke, fog, fabric, or hair elements, and animating specific facial or body movements on a portrait reference. Combining Motion Brush with a carefully chosen reference image gives you a level of control over AI video generation that is genuinely close to directing a shot. Act 1 is Runway's facial performance capture feature. Record yourself speaking, emoting, or performing via webcam, or upload any video of a human performance. Runway analyzes the facial landmarks, tracking eyebrow movement, mouth shape, head rotation, and micro expressions, then transfers that exact performance onto any AI-generated character. The output character matches your eyebrow raises, your smile, your head tilt, and the timing of your speech. The most common professional use cases are animated characters voiced by actual performers, consistent AI avatars for brand content, and story-driven social content where the same character needs to appear across multiple videos. Custom model training takes Act 1's principle further. You upload a substantial set of your own footage and Runway fine-tunes a generation model on that visual material. The resulting custom model generates video that reflects your specific aesthetic, lighting preferences, subject matter, and style, without requiring detailed prompting every time. Custom training is available on the Pro plan and requires enough footage for the model to learn from meaningfully. Runway is not only a video generation tool. It includes a full suite of AI post-production capabilities that would otherwise require separate software and skilled operators. Remove background eliminates the video background instantly without a green screen, manual rotoscoping, or frame-by-frame masking. The result is a clean, transparent background ready for compositing. Motion tracking automatically identifies and tracks any point you select in the video, generating tracking data for visual effects compositing. Frame interpolation uses AI to generate frames between existing ones, increasing the frame rate of any footage and smoothing motion artifacts. Inpainting lets you paint a selection over any region in a video clip and fill it with AI-generated content that matches the surrounding context. Depth of field can be added or adjusted on any existing video in post, without having to reshoot with a different aperture. Object segmentation isolates any object in a video automatically. Clean audio removes background noise from any recording. And video upscaling increases the resolution of any video clip using AI upscaling rather than simple interpolation. Who gets the most professional value from Runway ML? Independent filmmakers use Gen 3 Alpha to generate cinematic sequences that would otherwise require expensive locations, equipment, or VFX budgets. VFX artists use Runway's compositing tools alongside generation for background removal, tracking, and inpainting in real production pipelines. Advertising agencies use Runway to generate hero video concepts and explore multiple visual directions before committing to a full production. Content creators use Gen 3 Alpha to produce high-quality social video with a cinematic look that standard content tools cannot match. Game cinematics teams use Runway to generate stylized concept footage for game trailers and promotional materials. Music video directors use Motion Brush and Gen 3 Alpha to create stylized sequences with precise control over motion and aesthetic. And post-production studios integrate Runway's background removal, tracking, and inpainting into existing editorial workflows as a faster alternative to manual VFX work. Here is what filmmakers and creators are actually building with Runway right now. An independent filmmaker generates an entire opening sequence for a short film without a location, a crew, or a camera. An advertising agency generates 6 complete campaign video concepts for a client presentation in a single day. A VFX artist uses remove background and inpainting together to clean problem shots in half the time it would take manually. A creator uses Motion Brush to animate a portrait photograph with precise control over eye movement, hair drift, and background separation. A game studio generates concept footage for a game trailer before any of the actual production assets exist. A music video director uses Gen 3 Alpha for 80% of the visual effects shots in a commercial music video, cutting the VFX budget significantly. A post-production editor uses frame interpolation to smooth archival 8mm footage for a documentary. And a brand team trains a custom Runway model on their product footage and uses it to generate consistent, on-brand product video content every week. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Pika Labs, Runway has a higher cinematic quality ceiling and Motion Brush. Pika is faster to iterate with and has a simpler, more accessible interface. Versus Kling AI, Runway's full creative suite, Motion Brush, and Act 1 are unique. Kling has strong physics simulation and supports longer clip durations. Versus Sora from OpenAI, Runway has a more complete post-production tool suite. Sora produces the longest clips and has the most sophisticated world model understanding. Versus Luma Dream Machine, Runway has more precise camera control and custom model training. Luma has strong extend and loop capabilities for seamless video sequences. Versus Hailuo AI, Runway has the full professional suite and Act 1. Hailuo generates quickly at lower cost, which makes it attractive for high-volume workflows. Versus Stable Video Diffusion, Runway is fully hosted with no GPU setup required. Stable Video runs locally with unlimited generation for those managing their own environment. The honest summary, Runway ML is the best choice when cinematic quality, motion brush control, and a complete professional video creation suite are the priority. 8 tips that consistently improve Runway Gen 3 Alpha output. 1. Always start with a strong, well-composed reference image. The quality of your first frame is the single biggest predictor of output quality. A poorly composed reference produces poorly composed video. 2. Name the camera move explicitly in every prompt. Slow dolly in, orbit left, locked off, handheld, rising crane. Never leave camera motion to chance. 3. Generate 5 seconds before attempting 10. It costs fewer credits, renders faster, and lets you identify problems early. 4. Use motion brush for any shot where specific motion matters. Never rely on the text prompt alone when you have spatial motion requirements. 5. Add film stock, era, and color grade language at the end of your action description. Shot on 16mm, warm tungsten light, desaturated grade, added after the subject in action. 6. Use negative prompts. Specify what to exclude in Runway avoids common artifacts like motion blur, overexposure, and jerky movement. 7. Chain short clips together to build longer sequences. Each new clip can continue the previous one for a coherent narrative. 8. Export intermediate clips to your editor regularly. Do not build the full sequence inside Runway before reviewing how it cuts together. Runway ML pricing. The free plan gives you 125 credits with access to Gen 3 Alpha and all of Runway's tools. It is a meaningful free tier for testing the quality and learning the generation workflow before committing. Standard is $15 per month. 625 credits per month, full Gen 3 Alpha access, and all post-production tools. For individual creators using Runway regularly but not at high volume, Standard is the right entry plan. Pro is $35 per month. 2,250 credits per month, custom model training on your own footage, and priority generation speed. The right plan for professionals who need custom visual consistency or who generate at higher volume. Unlimited is $95 per month. Unlimited Gen 3 Alpha generations at standard quality, the highest speed tier, and access to every Runway tool. For studios, agencies, and creators generating large volumes of AI video regularly. My recommendation: start free to learn Gen 3 in Motion Brush, upgrade to Standard when you hit the credit limit on regular work, and move to Pro when custom model training becomes part of your production pipeline. Here is everything you need. Start at runwayml.com, a free account, 125 credits, Gen 3 Alpha, no card required. Upgrade to Standard at $15 for 625 monthly credits. Move to Pro at $35 when you need custom model training. Unlimited at $95 when you generate at high volume. All plans at runwayml.com/pricing. If you want a simpler interface and faster iteration for social video, Pika Labs at pika.art is worth comparing. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Runway can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go try Motion Brush and see what you can control. See you in the next one.